Let's talk about large language models, or LLMs. These complex algorithms are rapidly changing the technological landscape. They are the brains behind tools like ChatGPT, powering a new generation of AI applications that are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. Companies are racing to deploy them everywhere, eager to harness their potential for increased efficiency and innovation. But rushing headlong into deployment without proper security checks is like launching the Titanic straight at an iceberg, a disaster waiting to happen. An unsecured LLM isn't just quirky, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It's a gateway for chaos, a wide-open door for potential breaches and unforeseen consequences. Imagine a hospital AI leaking patient records, exposing sensitive information to the world. Or a finance bot giving disastrous advice, leading to significant financial losses for unsuspecting users. The risks are massive, encompassing everything from data breaches to reputational damage, and most are baked in before launch, meaning the vulnerabilities are present from the very beginning. Like building a skyscraper, you need blueprints and safety checks at every stage of the process. LLM security is no different. It requires careful planning and rigorous testing. Skipping these steps is gambling, a high-stakes bet with potentially devastating consequences. You're gambling with your company's reputation and, more importantly, user safety and well-being. Move fast and break things? That might work for some applications, but not when it comes to people's privacy and trust. These are non-negotiable. Before joining the AI gold rush, caught up in the excitement and hype, let's make sure our creations are ready for the wild world they'll face, ensuring they are safe, secure, and responsible. Everything starts with data. If you feed your LLM garbage, expect garbage, or worse, out. Securing training data means more than quantity. It's about clean, accurate, bias-free information. Toxic or private data in means toxic or dangerous AI out. Anonymize and strip out personal info, or risk lawsuits and breaches. Guard your data like the crown jewels. Limit access, log every action. Unsecured data invites attackers to poison your model, teaching it to create vulnerabilities or spread scams. The principle is simple: garbage in, catastrophic failure out. You can't automate this away. It takes human oversight and care. The quality of your data determines the safety of your AI. Neglect this and your whole project is built on quicksand. Clean, well-organized data is just the starting point. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Without it, your AI is already at a disadvantage. But how you build your AI, the very architecture you choose, matters just as much, if not more. Think of it as the skeleton of your system. Security isn't an add-on, it must be baked directly into the architecture from day one. It's not something you can just bolt on later. Use model ensembling. Employ multiple AIs working in concert together to catch each other's mistakes and proactively prevent single points of failure. Redundancy is key. Isolate training environments with sandboxing techniques, ensure no open internet connections during training, and absolutely no easy access points for potential attackers. Keep it locked down. Think of it as a digital airlock, meticulously keeping your model safe and secure during its most vulnerable phase, the training period. Federated learning strategically lets models learn directly from user devices. This is achieved without collecting raw data centrally, significantly reducing potential breach risks and enhancing user privacy. These crucial security measures aren't mere afterthoughts or optional extras. They're the fundamental blueprints, the very DNA for building truly resilient and secure AI systems. Implementing layered defenses makes your system significantly tougher and more difficult to compromise, acting as multiple lines of defense. Build a bunker, not a shack. Because in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, destructive storms are perpetually on the horizon, always coming. Smart, proactive design is, without a doubt, your absolute best defense. With secure data handling and a robust design in place, the next critical step is access control. This is where you determine who can interact with your AI system and to what extent. So, the fundamental question arises: who gets the keys to your AI kingdom? Who should have the privilege of accessing and manipulating this powerful technology? The guiding principle here is to apply the principle of least privilege. This means only grant individuals the absolute minimum level of access they require to perform their specific duties. Nothing more, nothing less. Implement a system of separated duties. In other words, no single individual should possess unchecked unilateral power over the entire system. Checks and balances are crucial. Now, before you even think about launching your AI into the world, you must test it and test it ruthlessly. Begin by thoroughly scanning for any potential vulnerabilities that might be lurking within your code. Go a step further and hire ethical hackers, cybersecurity experts who specialize in penetration testing, to actively try to break your model. Assemble a dedicated red team to rigorously test your AI. This team should actively attempt to trick it, to prompt it into revealing sensitive secrets, or to elicit harmful or inappropriate responses. Prompt injection is not a theoretical concern, it's a very real and present threat. Therefore, your model must be designed to resist manipulation and withstand adversarial attacks. Consider this your AI's crash test. Your mission is to uncover any weaknesses or vulnerabilities before they are exploited by the public. Implement strict access controls, conduct relentless testing, and ensure that adversarial red teaming are absolutely non-negotiable components of your development process. Skipping these crucial steps is akin to selling automobiles without subjecting them to rigorous crash tests. Cultivate a mindset of self-criticism and defensive thinking. Be your own harshest critic, because you can be certain that attackers will be even harsher. Only after you've subjected your AI to this gauntlet of security measures can you confidently say that it's truly ready to face the challenges of the real world. Finally, governance ties it all together. Clear rules and policies for AI development, deployment, and maintenance are essential. Define responsibilities, security requirements, and incident response protocols. Align with global standards like the NIST AI Risk Management Framework or EU AI Act. These are best practices, not red tape. Ongoing monitoring and a practiced incident response plan are critical. Threats evolve daily. Governance transforms security from a checklist into a culture. Most risks are decided before launch in your data, design, tests, and rules. Get pre-deployment security right, and you protect your company, your users, and the future of AI. That's the real promise of responsible AI.